Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to change the volume on the EarPods with a lightning cable on an iPhone device. So let's say first we connect them, which goes to the bottom port. Then we open Spotify or any music player, YouTube video, movie, Netflix, whatever we want. We click play. And as we are listening to music, we have on the little cable, we have a little control. We have a minus and a plus. So this will let us push the volume up, and we can see it's going up, or it can go down. And we can also change the volume with the proper basically app of choice. So here we could control the volume, and also on the phone we can go up or down, but you can use the manual on the cable. So this can basically put the volume down, and we can also block the phone so you can see, and we will see the volume rocker going up or down. Same thing, we can move the rocker with our fingers if we want. So that is how you control the volume with the Apple earbuds with a lightning connector to the iPhone. This is a physical cable going into the phone. There's no Bluetooth, no nothing. So very simple. And like I said, it has that control with the cable with the plus and the minus. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. See you in the next one.